Hey guys, Jiu-Jitsu Diagnostic here. Garry Tonon has this headlock grip, and very soon Gasanov is about to roll his shoulders and get towards the back of Garry Tonon. So what Garry Tonon does here brilliantly is he relinquishes grip and goes underneath. What you can't see is he has legs in between the left leg of Gasanov. So before it happens, he releases. He's going to grab both legs, which is important. As he does that, he'll roll forward. And if we freeze here, let me back up a second. If we freeze here, he's going to attack this leg, but roll on top of what would be the free leg. So now there's weight on that free leg, which is the leg that Gasanov would normally use to push off with the free foot or start to roll in either direction to start to free his knee to get out of these knee bars, which knee bars are rare in MMA especially. So now we're going to see Garry wrap the leg around his lat, which is a very powerful variation of this submission. And you can see that ankle is trapped, and putting the hand near the hip, it's locked in very tightly. So Garry Tonon is very patient here. Locks a figure 4, but he's going to transition once he's ready to attack. He's just securing the position here. So fast forward to that. And you can see Gasanov is stuck. He cannot rotate. He cannot push off. He cannot really move here. So when Tonon is ready to attack, you'll see he transitions to a foot over foot grip, and he's going to start to stomp on his own foot. The left knee is trapped in the left ridge of Tonon's hip, and as he stomps, it's going to force Gasanov to go prone to try to relieve pressure, but there's nowhere for him to go because of that trapped free, what would be the free leg. You can see that stomp there. Extended knee or extended leg, pressure down on the knee, and then up on either ends. And Gasanov is forced to scream tap here.